Hey, do you want to know how I make my subs real dirty? No. Because, but just in case you want to know, you will see how. Sorry, this will be quick. So you take a sub. I will choose vital. You take whatever wave you want. You take whatever wave you want. I will do triangle because why not? You make that shit real deep, of course. You do all that. No spread, no phase randomization because it's a sub. You can change the phase if you want to, but not the randomization, I think. Well, I wouldn't do that. But who am I to tell you what to do? No spread. I would put no spread. At least on vital. Now you have the sub. Now you won't be able to hear this if you don't wear headphones or something, or have good speaker. Anyway. Now, after that, you take you want to split the frequencies, right? You want to split the spectrum. Now, the way you can split the frequencies is pretty simple, actually. You can split the spectrum in 2 or 3 or however many you want. You do it with auto filters, in Ableton at least, or some kind of filter. So you take an auto filter. Let me have a simple sound over here. So, where do you want to split the lower frequencies? I choose to split them at the 200 Hz, from 200 Hz and below. Now that's pretty quiet, but there is a sound there. And you group it. You add another chain, and this filter you want it to be from 200 Hz and up. So you have the low frequencies from 200 Hz and below, and from 200 Hz and up. So now, and you can do seriously like a lot with this. For example, you can, for some reason, if you want to, you can saturate the bass of the electric, the lower frequencies of the electric, if you want to, right? I don't know why you could do that, but you can. And put some reverb on the medium, on the 200, on the medium and high frequencies. Why not? Yeah, that's how you split the frequencies. So you have the low frequencies here, you have the medium frequencies, and you have the high frequencies. Usually I delete the high frequencies because it's not needed, and now it's being split from like 0 to 200, and from 200 to 2000 from 200 and up. So you have this and this, and after that you take you put a vocoder in the medium frequencies from 200 from the 200 and up. You decrease the release. You can fuck with the depth and the formant. You do that. You want to have it at 200 Hz. The filter, the range, and up, right? Yeah, I think you can already hear it. And then the cherry on top will be the saturator at hard curve. Which listen to that. Now, don't tell me that's not dirty. Don't tell me that's not dirty. And just for good measure, I put on a wave shaper at the end. And there you have it. Now you can fuck with the formant, with the depth, where you can enhance it. I don't know, you don't know how to do that. And I also increase the decibels of the low frequencies, just so I can make the sub a little more audible. You can fuck with the bass, you can fuck with the depth, with the width. As you can see, it maxes out the wave separator, which makes sense. And after that, what you can do after that is put an auto filter and do that. You wanna have the relation on the smallest setting, because when you don't, this is gonna happen. Just pure noise with no dirtiness. But I will delete the auto filter. Okay, that's pretty loud. Anyway. Yeah. Let me change the wave. Now you see on a sine wave, you don't have many harmonics, right? So nothing will be audible with a sine wave. But with this kind of wave, which I don't know what is, kind of a square sine wave, you can have this sound, which is certainly interesting, with a triangle. So, the saw sounds especially dirty. As you can see, every single one of these sounds pretty dirty, but I especially like the saw. Just listen to that. You don't need the soft clip because you have the wave separator at the end, but you can do it if you want to. You can decrease the bandwidth if you want to. You can also do this. Hold on. Do you want to make it a little more colorful? You absolutely can, my friend. As you see, okay. Let me make a simple chord here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. And just put an operator on that bitch. Not bitch. Operator. And you have a perfect fifth. And what you can do is mute that. And have it at external. And do that. Hold on. There we go. Now, what if I go ahead and add another note? Major, why not? And how about another note on top? You can kinda hear it, can you? It's certainly more colorful than before. What if I increase the bunch? That's my... How about 8? As you can see, you can do a lot with this. You can also put a reverb at the medium frequencies to make it have more space. Now compare this to this. Oh my god, that sounds so dirty. Now you can do a lot with this, I'm just saying. So yeah, there you go, that's how I make most of my subs. Of course I filter it, you know. I filter it, of course. But yeah, I hope you found this at least slightly useful. So yeah, thank you for watching. That was about it really.